I didn't think I'll be making this type of video early this on. Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys something that maybe you guys have noticed or not noticed. So recently in the past few days, you've seen I've uploaded a couple more videos than usual. Before, of course, I used to upload usually once a week when I felt good, of course, and usually that would be in the weekends. I'll upload a video and for everyone to watch. And recently this week, of course, I've uploaded more than one video. I've uploaded, I think, like 2 or 3 videos this week, which is a record for me in a while because I haven't been able to upload that many videos. And I've been able to upload a lot of those videos is because I got fired from my day job. So I'm not gonna get into the details of why I got fired or anything like that. But it is sad news for me, of course. It sucks, of course, because that was a lot of it. That was my main income, of course. YouTube money is still a small part of my income. It's not a big income, but there's some good side about this, about me not having now a day job right now, an 8 to 4 job right now. So first off, of course, I'm now able to upload and create much more videos for you guys, and which is something, of course, that I really enjoy doing, and I love doing it a lot. But also, this makes me want to work even harder than before. Because before, of course, with my day job, I'll come home tired, I'll want to create a video or anything like that, but then I'll just watch Netflix or watch the news or just watch a movie instead because I was just too tired and I was just lazy to create anything. And that's why before I was only uploading once a week and not, a few videos a week. But hopefully right now, for the time being, I will be uploading a couple more videos, of course, than usual. I am now, of course, going to start to update my portfolio to look for a job where in my area, a field that I studied, of course. I studied interactive multimedia was the program I took at Algonquin College. And so I really like a course, and video was part of the subject in it, and that's where I found video photography and fell in love with it. And so yeah, I'm gonna try to update my portfolio with some video quality stuff, with some motion graphics stuff as well that I've been playing around with as well, so that I could find a job in that area as well. But while I'm looking for a job, of course, and doing and updating my portfolio and everything, I will be continuing to upload videos here on the channel. So like I said, it sucks, of course, that I got fired, I got terminated or whatever, but there's some good side about this is that I'm able now to it makes me want to work even harder. And yeah, I'm not angry or anything like that. I'm not happy about it, of course. But also, what you gotta do, right? You can't do nothing about it. Just keep moving forward, and that's pretty much it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing from now on. So yeah, you'll be seeing a lot more videos from me in the coming days. So stay tuned for much more interesting videos. Like I said, this was just a quick update of maybe why you've been seeing a little bit more videos than usual. And I hope you guys subscribed because a few more videos will be dropping soon. So that's it for now, guys. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.